Okay, my algebra students, of course, this is our review of last week. If you can do this, the quiz should be easy peasy, chocolate cheesy. So go ahead and do these two problems, freeze the video, and then turn it back on. And then we'll do some more problems. Thank you. Okay, well, normal deck of cards probability, it's black. There's 2 black suits out of 4 suits, so that'd be 2 out of 4, or a half. Or you could say 26 cards out of 52. 10 of clubs, there's only 1 10 of club out of 52 cards. Ace, there's 4 aces out of 52 cards, which is 1 out of every 13. And probability, it's a 2 or 3 of hearts. Well, there's only 2 cards that are 2 or a 3, so it's 2 out of 52, or 1 out of 26. Okay, now, so what's the mean? Well, I need to get my handy-dandy cheap calculator, which doesn't show up on the screen too well. I was going to try to do that, but let's see what we got. Let's see, 5 and 6, 11, 15, so that's 26, 35, 45. Plus 23, 43, 93. So I get, I messed up. Sorry about that, I get 138. Let's try that again just to double check. Could have made a boo-boo. 11, that's 15, so 26, 35, 45, 56, 68, 88, 138, and we're dividing that by 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So I get 13.8. The median is the one in the middle, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in this case, it's between 2 of them, so it'd be 9.5. Now notice we have a number that looks really, really big, so it kind of pulls the data to one side. Mode, which one occurs the most? Well, there are no repeats, so it'd be none. And then 50 minus 5 is 45. Q1, the bottom list, the middle number, there's 2 above, 2 below. That's how I always check, so 7. Tried to trick you, Q2 is just the median. Ha, 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 9.5. And then the median of the top list is your Q3. That's 12. IQR is Q3 minus Q1, so that's 5. And is 50 an outlier? Well, okay, so you just do Q3 plus 5 to see what's too big. Q3 is 12 plus 5 is 17. So in fact, not only is 50 an outlier, 20 is an outlier. They're both too big. So yes, it is an outlier. That's how you show if something's an outlier. Now, if they said, is their number too small, you'd go 7, Q1 minus, oh, wait a minute, I forgot. Nope, I made a boo-boo. I made a mistake. Start over. You got to multiply this by 1.5. So I messed up. Oh my goodness, I'm so embarrassed. 1.5 times 5 would be 7.5. But my results are still the same. 12 plus 7.5 is 19.5. So 20 and 50 are both outliers. I forgot the 1.5. I'm so embarrassed. Actually, I was testing you to see if you remembered it. Ha, 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 ha. Do these 2 problems, and then we're done with the review. Draw a bar graph for that information. That freshmen exercise an hour a day, sophomores half an hour, 11th graders 2 hours, and 12th graders 3 hours. And then we have ice cream. It asks you different questions. So figure that out for me, and then turn me back on. Okay, so we got 9th, we got 10th. Now, why do some exercise and some don't? Just making this up. But maybe juniors and seniors are more worried about dating, so they want to look better, where the freshmen and sophomores, they're still young at the world. So, anyways, so let's say we got a half hour, hour and a half, 2.5, 3. So freshmen do 1 hour a day, so that'd be woohoo. Then sophomores do just half an hour. Oh, those sophomores. Of course, maybe they got jobs for the first time, so they don't know how to get ready, show time in life. 11th graders, 2 hours, so wow. And they may be on varsity more, so they're more serious about it. And then seniors, they do 3 hours of exercise a day. Hoo-hoo. Now the last one, we got a circle graph, 4,000 people surveyed. How many people are allergic? Well, 10% of 4,000 is 400. How many like vanilla? Well, that would be 40%, which is 1,600. Use a calculator. How many like chocolate? Half, so that's 2,000. Okay, so that's our review for this week. Hopefully it helps. Sorry about the little boo-boo, but I caught it, so it's okay. So have a good day.